Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this YouTube channel, and in this video we will be servicing a mining rig that is going out to a client in a couple of hours, but we agreed on me changing the thermal paste before I sell it instead of a discount, so that's a discount for me to the buyer. I am really curious to see how the temperatures will change after repasting the thermal paste, even though I'm now mining dual on Ethereum plus TON. If you want to see how to do that, I will do a video on it soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will be releasing it quick. But for this video, what you need to know, Ethereum plus TON gets a lot of heat. Like cards on Ethereum can run, for example, on 50 degrees Celsius, and when you put it on dual mining, it can jump straight to 60. And these cards are mining dual, so client will be mining dual as well, and I just want to prepare him for the summer because it's getting really hot out here, and the thermal paste will definitely help a bit. So here's the rig. There's 8 Sapphire RX580s Nitro Plus model. These are the best RX580 models on the market. They have the best cooling, and these still have the original thermal paste from the factory. As you can see, the seals are all in place on all 8 cards. So obviously this card is the first, so it's the coolest from all of them, and going this side, this card is the hottest. So if I cool them all by little, they will just go in a chain, and this card will see the most difference after repasting. I don't want to give out too much information from the next video, so I hidden the hash rates. You can see the overclocks and you can see the watt usage, even though this is not correct. And in here you can see the temperature, so it varies from the 46, the first card obviously, and then it goes up to 54, 55, so one of these should be the last card in a row. And now let's jump on to changing the thermal paste, putting everything back together and checking out how the temperatures change. Hoping to drop like 5 Celsius degrees. I would be really happy with that, even though these temperatures are not hot. Anything under 60 degrees is perfectly fine, but just looking in the future, in the summer it will get hotter and the car temperatures will go up accordingly, so I'm just trying to prevent that by changing the thermal paste now instead of later, because the new owner of this rig doesn't have much experience, and changing the thermal paste for the first time would really help him out. So let's do that.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
Here we have all the GPUs removed from the mining rig, a pile of RX580s. All the cards repasted, now time to take them one by one and put it back to the rig. Alright, all the cards in place, still dusty, that doesn't matter at all, and at this point let's turn it on and check the temperatures. As you can see, the overclocks are the same and the temperatures are different. The highest card is doing 45 degrees and the lowest 42, so that's almost 10 degrees off. As you saw previously, those cards still had the factory thermal paste from the manufacturer, and they are from 2017, so that's already like 5 years into usage and still on the stock thermal paste. Still doing pretty good job. That's what you get when you buy the Sapphire RX580s, and those are the great cards in my opinion, and those cards are my main to-go model when looking for RX580. And this is dual mining. Have in mind that dual mining is hotter and more watt usage than single mining, well, at least in Ethereum plus TON. At this point I'm just waiting for the buyer to come and pick it up, and for the next video I still have some of those cards left in my other locations, so I will make a video on that, show you the hash rate, show you the single mining, dual mining, how to set it up, So if you're waiting for that, hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.